Welcome back. Time to go on an adventure for Z33 parts.
Now I see you in my dreams. And I wanna wake up dreaming. I don't wanna wake up.
Are we good? After school we used to be cool. Go and kick it up some meta shit. The metas won't believe true. I know before we couldn't see both summers. All you needed was some loving, but you know.
Alright guys, so first order of business, gotta stop by Detail Garage, San Diego, so that way I can get some stuff. I've had a lot of oxidation on the hood of the Z, and I'm just so sick of looking at it, so I'm getting some stuff to prep to get rid of that, so that way the car actually looks smooth, or as smooth as possible, because I have a lot of clear coat damage going onto the car as well. So that's also going to be part of this video, which watching me try to figure this out. So let's go inside, let's get the stuff, and let's get started. Your boy got the goods. Now we can finally try to get the all the fallout and the nasty grime and the discolored paint taken care of off the Z. Joe, check out Detail Garage San Diego. They're located in Chula, Vista. Go show them some love. Awesome store, knowledgeable people, and just all around good product. All right, came to Park Shop Max headquarters. Got some goodies for the Subaru, got some goodies for the 350. It's 12:30. Let's see what we can get done today, and let's see what we can do. I'm very excited that I'm finally actually getting this program off the ground, and I'm glad you guys are here to join me. Alright, so early this morning I ended up going and washing the car. I also decided to clay bar the car while I was there. Didn't want to waste your guys' time watching me clay bar a car. But the products that I used to clay bar was the Chemical Guys heavy duty clay bar, and I also backed it up with the clay lube. To be honest with you, just after that, sanding it down, because I've never ever clay barred this car, and I've owned this car for like almost 5 years now, so I ended up clay barring it. It actually looks pretty damn good compared to where it was, but I'm gonna let my phone charge for a little bit. I'm gonna get started on compounding some spots on the car, and then I'll come back and have you guys join me. So while I was letting everything charge up, I was out there and I just used the surface cleanser. After doing the clay bar, it left a lot of grime and stuff from the clay bar on the car, so wanted to get that stuff out and get the fallout off there before we get to our main adventure. Before we get started, it's really windy, and I'm sorry about that, but before we get started, got Chemical Guys compound. This is a high-grade compound that will cut literally anything on a car's paint. So what you want to do is, you can be cheap like me, get the McGuire's orbital for a drill, and then you want to spray the pads, put a couple drops on this, and then go to town. So let's get this started. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish the compound up on the rest of the car, so that way you guys don't have to get bored by watching me do this over and over and over again. Everything's compounded. Took a while. I really need to go get a haircut, so I'm going to come back to this as soon as I'm done, so that way I can get her finished up. The two major spots that I really am looking at is that really faded spot right there on the bumper, and then we have another one right here on the hood. Those are the two main spots that I wanted to take care of. So after I get done with my haircut, then we're gonna finish up and hopefully it looks good. Decided I have some things on the way for the Z. Yes, I stopped by Part Shop Max headquarters yesterday, and I think I'm just gonna end up putting the parts on when the other stuff comes in, because that'll be the time to do it, so that way I don't have to do multiple things several times. So stay tuned for that. Sorry if you wanted to see what I got from Part Shop Max, but you're gonna have to wait till the next video. Little public service announcement. If you own a Jeep Wrangler, like I do, check your suspension pieces, please. Yesterday I was going down the freeway. I was going down I-5 and about 75 miles an hour, which is average speed for I-5, and started getting symptoms of death wobble. It was a horrible thing. Now the Jeep is down. I'm glad the 350 is running currently, because that's the only vehicle I have to use. My drag link, both sides decided to just completely die on me. I'm glad the Jeep's not wrecked. I'm okay, and now I got to play the waiting game, trying to order parts. So hopefully the Jeep gets back up and running, because I would love to have a vehicle with AC. The Z doesn't have any AC. Need to probably recharge it, but it's on the list of, not the list of priorities for me right now. So if you got a Jeep, check your suspension pieces. All right, back from getting a haircut, just fresh out of the shower. Now it's time to go get hot and dirty again. Now we have to use that surface cleaner on the Z again, because I drove it all the way to Coronado Island to get my haircut, and now now I came back. So the paint stuff's gonna be a little grimy from road and all that other stuff. Also, good news. I just got picked up from a sponsorship. It's a partial sponsorship with Lowered Empire. Go check out their stuff. They have a lot of shirts and stuff that kind of, if you wear Sketchy Tank or know what that is, then you'd probably end up liking these shirts that they have. Their decals are dope. Air fresheners smell good. Just go show them some love and support. Use my code ZenLife10. Every $10 you spend is $1 back to me. This is the only way I have to make things a little bit better on this channel, I guess, for now. And so what I'm gonna do is, for every $10 you guys spend and it comes $1 back to me, I'm going to purchase stuff from them, and then I'm gonna use them as giveaways. Giveaways to you guys. So please show them support. You're supporting me, support them, and go buy some stuff, pretty dope stuff. And like I said, this is a way to get have giveaways, so go check them out. All right, so our next step, we're gonna use a high grade polish. All right, so I'm no professional. I'm almost admitting defeat on this. I got one last step. Last ditch effort. To be honest with you, I also believe it's the equipment I'm using. That McGuire's drill thing is not, it doesn't have any like speed behind it really to speak of, so it can't really do the job 100%. I don't want to buy a generator. I don't, because I live in an apartment complex, so I'm doing the best I can with what I have. Last coat, black light. I've used it on my Subaru. It made the black absolutely amazing. Now that was using hand application. This time I'm going to use the little drill machine, see how it goes. Also, if you guys go to Detail Garage San Diego's Instagram page, bombard them with messages, comments to do a collab with me, so that way I can hopefully maybe try to go over there, learn a thing or two, and show you guys how it's done properly with the right equipment. So I'll leave their Instagram in the description. go there and just bombard them with messages and comments telling them that they need to collab with me, so that way we can get good old Lucy here all bright and shiny. Make sure to tag both Zen Drift and my personal Instagram, which is also going to be in the description. Alright, so came out a lot shinier, so I'm going to take you on a walk around of the car. So even though I didn't get the spot on the hood that I wanted to take care of, the rest of the car still came out amazing, regardless of the two spots. The one here on the bumper, you can still kind of see like a little bit of a reflection right here, but it's not that good. Alright, also, new sponsorship means new stickers. For those of you who've never put on a windshield banner, it's like 80 something degrees out here. I'm going to show you how to do it without a heat gun and with one person. I gotta get better at this whole ending the vlog. I constantly forget to do it in the same time period that I make the videos, so I'm just gonna take care of it now. Better late than never. So remember, go check out Lowered Empire. Use the code ZenLife10. The more you buy, the better chances of me being able to get stuff and do giveaways for everybody who subscribes. Also, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys are entertained by my poor performance in detailing my car. So go hit up Detail Garage San Diego. Tell them to do a collab with me. Just bombard them, like I said earlier in the video. But outside of that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed laughing at my misfortune, give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see. I got some more stuff in the works for the 350, so stay tuned for that. And just remember, every journey begins with one single step.
Hey, blood don't make you family. I got brothers from different mamas and daddies. I got people who would kill for me, I'd kill for them. And we ain't never met, we just say what up on the internet. Shout out to anyone showing love in the comments. Just know I got you to the day they put me down in that coffin. If y'all got problems, I've been